Hello, hello, and welcome back to a new episode of Safford and Sypha's channel!
Yay!
Alright, so today we have the Epic Evolution Velociraptors. This two right here, and we also got finally the 93 Classic Jurassic Park Dennis Nedry. We got this 2 days ago, back in Sunday when it came out, but I didn't have time to make a review. Well, today's the day, and we will we will compare to the other Velociraptors from Epic Evolution. And there are other variants from the Legacy Collection from Dominion. These are all Dominion, but it is now a repack here. I believe they made too many, so they couldn't sell this, so they repack it as an Epic Evolution now. Exactly the same, but when you scan it, it's actually from Dominion. Then these are Epic Evolution. Alright, so first things first, we start Dennis Nedry. We're gonna unbox it. Alright, let's tear the box. We'll tear it carefully. They really sealed it tight. Oh wow. Alright, damage it. Great. I said I'll be careful, but it's already damaged. They really super glued this thing. Alright. There we go. We got a white packaging here. What's in there? Open it up. There's our Velociraptor. Here we go. Nice. We don't have the color of this one yet. Let's open it up. Alright. There you go. So this is the first, like a beige red Velociraptor. Really nice. So there's didn't mess up the coloring, the painting in the eye. Really good. So there's the DNA scan. There you go. Alright, let's put it aside, and we're gonna search. We have a purple packaging. Purple package. We also have a red package inside. Sypha said she wants to open it, and we have our manual, but this is not, we don't really need this. Okay. There you go. Sypha will open the red package, and I will open the white package. Let's see what's in the white. Oh, we have the motorcycle in here. Okay. Green and orange motorcycle.
I have this one.
Okay, so just. Okay, Sypha got the. It came with a claw. Okay, you can move it. So this, I'm pretty sure it goes here. Yep, it goes there. And we have this. What is this? A flamethrower. Okay. What is this?
Papa, open Papa now.
Oh, I guess this. No, it doesn't go here. Oh, there it is. Silly me.
Open the Papa one.
Oh, then you push it. There you go. It shoots. Nice.
I want to open the Papa one. I want to open the Papa one.
We put it here.
I want to open Papa one.
Oh, I see. So the claw goes on the other side.
I want to open the Papa one.
Hang on, Sypha. We'll put it here. There you go. So, yeah. You do that, it shoots. Wow, this is some unique motorcycle. Okay. Sypha will open the purple box as well. I'm pretty sure that's Dennis Nedry in there. Okay, so. Is it the guy? Yep, it's him. Alright, we have a smiley guy here. So he's really a chunky one, but he's got muscular arms. They really change it, the body here. Obviously, this is a mercenary's body, not Dennis Nedry's body. Okay, so let's put his mask on and his backpack. Okay, let's do it. Let's see. Let's clip it. There you go. It goes in. And then... Okay, so it goes that way. Goes to his arm. Oh, okay.
I want it.
Uh-oh. Wow. Alright, we got it right now.
I want it.
Looks good. Let's put him on the motorcycle. So obviously he's just gonna need one arm to drive the motorcycle. There you go. That's what it looks like. I don't know if you can take off his glasses. Oh no, it's actually part of the head sculpt. It doesn't come off. Okay, so here you go. Now let's see if the claw works. The claw works on the Velociraptor. Okay, so just like that. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, now let's go to the Epic Evolution Velociraptors. And we'll check their counterparts from Dominion Legacy Collection. Wow, it's actually the same thing. Let's open it up. Oh, well. Let's open it up. Let's see the paint color. My goodness, it is actually the same thing. It is same,
I want it.
even the tail. Yeah, definitely a repack, so what's the point of opening this other one? Actually the same thing.
I want it. Listen.
Yeah, exactly the same. So what's the point of unboxing this? Okay,
I want it also.
here you go.
Thank
All right.
you.
So that's it for today, guys. The next video will be guess what? This guy, we just got it today. Hammond Collection Velociraptor Blue. There you go. We already have all of these except for Owen Grady. We're not gonna get this guy. Also, we're also excited for the Hammond Collection Tyrannosaurus and Giganotosaurus coming this June. Yep, that's right. It's already ready for pre-order at Target.
Motorcycle.
Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, thank you. Have a great evening.
I want a motorcycle.